Hi guys, my name is Emily and this is my channel, Ohana Slime Reviews. Welcome. This is my first video, and the reason that we're doing this channel is my son decided a while back he wanted to start a slime company. But first, I had no idea, anything about, I had no ideas about slime. I had no clue at all. So I thought it would be cool if starting out we learn some stuff about slime and do some reviews on some of the bigger companies and maybe do some giveaways. So at the end of this video, there's going to be a giveaway. You have to watch the end to hear what you have to do. But the prize is going to be this pretty homemade cloud slime that yours truly made. Seeing how everybody likes our stuff, free stuff. Who can't say no to free stuff? All you have to do is wait and watch our review. Wait to the end. See what you have to do. And then you get free slime. I mean, how hard is that? All right. Well, I hope you enjoy our review. Hey guys, this is Emily
and Hunter,
and this is Ohana Slime Review. We just got our first cool slime from a big slime company. This is from Slime Fantasies in California. Cool. So yeah, super excited. We're gonna do an unboxing. And let's get to it. Comes in this pretty shiny thing. There we go. Okay, so it comes in this pretty little bag. I'm not going to show the front because it still has our address in it. So let's go ahead and open it. All right, let's see. What is this? Oh, how pretty. Comes in this pretty little bag. Oh, what a pretty card. Let me see. It's backwards, I think. But, Hunter, what does it say?
It's upside down.
Oh.
You are so awesome for supporting a woman small business.
Woman-owned
small business. Let's spread some smiles and some
positivity
together. Smiley face.
Yay! And on back it has the Slime 101 directions.
Yep.
And if it's sticky or stiff, we got, and it came with some activator in a cool little bottle. Now let's get to the good stuff. And of course it comes with, our order receipt thing. Oh, here it goes. I'm so excited. We got Peach Kiss, and it's backwards, and pretty little, I really like the packaging. It's simple, but it's really cute. And it says, what does the front top say?
Slime made with heart in California.
Cool.
Yeah, cool.
All right. Let's open it. Yay!
Yay! I'm so
Ooh. Isn't that pretty? So it's Peach Kiss. It is a cloud slime. And you can see it's got some really pretty pink glitter. Let's smell it. Mmm.
Oh, yeah.
All right, do you want to do the first poke, Hunter?
Yes. Oh, nice. It's so good. You're getting like stuff all over.
All right.
Wow. So nice and fluffy.
Love it. And it's not sticky, is it?
Nope. We used to do some reviews.
We are doing a review.
We are doing a review right now.
You want to?
That's so cool.
Yeah. And it's not tough. It's nice and soft.
And it's so soft, yeah.
And crumbly. Look at those drizzles.
Oh,
Oh, I love it. Mommy's slime doesn't come out like this, does it?
no.
Nope.
It's kind of warm too
That's because it's been outside.
for the whole day.
Okay, so it's a little crumbly, but
Yeah, we love it.
I love it. How many out of 10 do you give this, Hunter?
100 out of 10.
100 out of 10. Look at those. Oh,
I meant a million out of 10.
million out of 10. Even better.
It's even better.
All right, guys. Well, this is our first video.
Please like and subscribe.
Yes, please like and subscribe. And our next slimes are going to be from, I believe, Dope Slime Company.
Yep.
And I can't wait for those to come in. As soon as they do, we will be doing an unboxing. And I hope you liked our video. Like I said, it was our first one, so be gentle in the comments.
Yep.
And have a great day. And peace, love,
Peace, love.
and family.
Family.
Bye.
Bye.
And I'm back. That was our review of the fabulous Slime Fantasies Peach Kiss Cloud Slime. I really did love it. It was really nice. It smelled so good. I forgot to mention that. It smelled just, screw it, we're putting it all in here. It smelled amazing. I like my slime shiny and glittery. There's nothing wrong with that. But anyway, so everybody's wondering what they need to do. Sorry about the noises in the background. I'm fostering kittens. Yeah, if anybody wants a kitten, please comment. Anyway, so I have no idea what I would name this cloud slime, and it's so pretty. And look at those drizzles. So, well, I guess it's not a giveaway, it's more of a contest. Sorry to mislead. But how about the first, whoever comes up with the coolest name for this pretty sparkly drizzly cloud slime, whoever comes with the coolest name, they will get a 4-ounce jar. Shipping will be taken care of. So yeah, do it in the comments. Start posting names. And hell, the top 2 best names will get a slime and get bragging rights for naming a slime that will eventually be in a slime shop. Knock on wood. All right, that's it. Have a good one. Bye, guys.